Hi, so guys, today we'll be talking on STP, basically known as Spanning Tree Protocol. It's a layer 2 protocol that prevents loop in a network that uses switches. So what is a loop? A loop in networking happens when frames keep circulating endlessly between switches because there are more than one active path between them. When I say a frame here, it means data. It's because data has different names they are called depending on the layer they reside at that moment. So I explained the 7 layers of the OSI model in one of my videos, so you just check it out. So when data is in layer 1, it is called bits. In layer 2, data becomes a frame. In layer 3, it is called packets. In layer 4, data becomes the segments. So in layer 5, 6, and 7, data is called data because it's a full information. So we are going to be we are going to be using frame here because we are talking about a layer 2 protocol. So a loops occur when frames keep circulating between switches because there are more than one active path between them. So let's say we have like 3 switches and then we connect them in a triangle form. We have switch A, B, and C. So a broadcast from A goes to B. A broadcast from B goes to C. And C will now send it back to A. And the circles continue non-stop. So think of it like as a roundabout with no exits. Cars keep moving in circle forever. Traffic jams everywhere, the road gets flooded, people hardly reach their destination. This is what happens when switches flood frame in a loop. It causes broadcast storm, cause the network to be down, devices will not be able to communicate with each other, and because Ethernet do not have built-in loop protection, a single loop can cause the entire network to be down. So this is when STP comes in, the spanning tree protocol, and acts as a traffic officer that makes sure that only one main road is used while the other one is blocked but ready. So that when the main road is damaged, the other road will be open. This keeps the transport system to run smoothly. So STP steps in and automatically block the extra path so that only one clean path remains, preventing loop. STP choose one switch as the route and then pick one best path, then block the other lane to prevent loop. So that when the active path fail, STP will now open the backup lane. This keeps the network to run smoothly with no broadcast storm. So when I say broadcast storm, it means it happens when frame keeps circulating the network, consuming bandwidth and causing the entire network to crash. So in my next video, I'm going to create a topology and then configure STP. So see you in my next video.